One of the doyens of Indian advertising, Piyush Pandey, passed away on October 24th at the age of 70. From Cadbury's Kuch Khas Hai Hum Sabhi Mein, Asian Paints Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai, to Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, Pandey was known for some of India's most iconic slogans in his illustrious career in advertising. Advertising was not his only love though. He was also a first-class cricketer, having played 5 matches for his native Rajasthan in the late 1970s. An alumnus of Delhi's St. Stephen's College, Pandey's first job was a tea taster at a tea company, a job he got with the help of his friend Arun Lal, a former Indian cricketer. Pandey joined Ogilvy in 1982 as an account executive, and from there was no looking back. Over nearly 4 decades in the ad agency, he worked on campaigns for Cadbury's Dairy Milk, Fevicol, Kinetic Luna, Vodafone, and more. At a time when print-dominated ads and television was emerging, Pandey and his team conceptualized numerous TV commercials known for their Indian flavor and catchy one-liners. In 2015, he released his memoir, quote-unquote, Pandemonium, after being in the industry for over 3 decades. In an interview to The Hindu at the time, he spoke about how Indian advertising needed to have its own identity and not be totally influenced by the West. He said, quote-unquote, I said, we don't need Western influence. There is enough happening in our country, and then others also started doing that. For me, local is cool. Your neighbor is cool. Your family is cool. Cool doesn't belong to the West alone. In 1988, Pandey wrote the lyrics for the iconic national integration song, quote-unquote, Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, for which he collaborated with singer Pandit Bhimsen Joshi and musician Louis Banks. He also crafted the political slogan, Ab Ki Baar Modi Sarkar, during the NDA's general election campaign in 2014. Pandey was the first Asian to serve as jury president at the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity in 2004. His achievements were recognized with the CLIO Lifetime Achievement Award in 2012 and the Padma Shri, making him the first figure from Indian advertising to receive the national honor. Friends, colleagues, and leaders expressed deep sorrow at Pandey's passing, praising him as a creative genius, a transformative figure in Indian advertising.